The digital realm expands at an astonishing pace, a sprawling landscape of interconnected networks and data streams. Yet this very interconnectedness, this digital tapestry we weave, becomes a double-edged sword. As we journey further into this digital age, the importance of robust security measures grows exponentially. Our sensitive information, our digital identities, are under constant threat from malicious actors seeking to exploit vulnerabilities. Imagine a medieval fortress, its high walls and watchful guards protecting valuable resources within. In the digital world, we build similar fortresses to safeguard our data. But our adversaries are cunning, constantly probing for weaknesses, seeking that unguarded entry point. This is where Kerberos comes in. Developed at MIT in the 1980s, Kerberos is a cryptographic protocol, a set of rules for secure communication in this complex digital landscape. It acts as a trusted intermediary, a gatekeeper to our digital fortresses, ensuring that only authorized users gain access to sensitive resources. In a world increasingly reliant on networks, understanding Kerberos is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. It's about building trust in a trustless environment, adding layers of security to our digital interactions. Let's delve deeper into the mechanics of this crucial security protocol. Named after the three-headed dog of Greek mythology guarding the gates of the underworld, Kerberos embodies a similar role in the digital realm. It operates on a simple yet powerful principle, verifying the identity of users and services before granting access to resources. Imagine trying to enter a high-security facility. You need to prove your identity, often with multiple forms of identification. Kerberos works similarly, but instead of physical IDs, it utilizes encrypted tickets. These tickets serve as digital credentials, vouching for the identity of users and services within a network. But how does Kerberos issue and manage these tickets? At the heart of the Kerberos protocol lies a trusted third party, the Key Distribution Center, KDC. This KDC acts as a central authority, responsible for authenticating users and issuing tickets. It's like the passport office in our physical world, verifying your identity and issuing a document that allows you to travel to different countries. By relying on a trusted third party, Kerberos simplifies security management and ensures that access is granted only to authorized entities. Let's break down the ticket granting process in Kerberos. Imagine a user, Alice, wants to access a service on a network, say, a file server. Alice first sends a request to the KDC, essentially saying, "Hey, it's Alice here, and I want to access the file server." The KDC, upon verifying Alice's identity, issues her two tickets, a ticket granting ticket, TGT, and a service ticket. Think of the TGT as a temporary pass for Alice within the network. This TGT is encrypted and specific to Alice, ensuring that only she can use it. The service ticket, on the other hand, is like a specific entry pass for the file server. Alice presents both tickets to the file server, which then verifies their authenticity with the KDC. If everything checks out, Alice is granted access to the file server. This entire process happens behind the scenes, transparent to the user, but crucial for maintaining security. The beauty of Kerberos lies in its use of cryptography. Tickets are encrypted, making it extremely difficult for attackers to forge or steal them. Section 4. Real-world ramifications. Kerberos in action. Kerberos, while seemingly complex under the hood, is widely deployed in various real-world applications. Think of it the next time you log into your work computer using your company's network. Chances are, Kerberos is working behind the scenes, authenticating your login and granting you access to your files and applications. It's the invisible guardian protecting your emails, your shared documents, and your online identity within the corporate network. But Kerberos's reach extends far beyond corporate firewalls. In a world increasingly reliant on cloud computing, Kerberos plays a vital role in securing access to cloud-based services. When you access your emails on a web browser, Kerberos can be used to authenticate your session, ensuring that you're the only one accessing your inbox. Its significance is even more pronounced in sensitive environments like healthcare, where protecting patient data is paramount. Section 5. The strengths of Kerberos. A fortress worth having. So what makes Kerberos such a powerful security protocol? Firstly, its reliance on a trusted third party, the KDC, simplifies security management and provides a central point of control. Imagine trying to manage access for thousands of users and services without a centralized system. It would be chaotic, to say the least. Secondly, Kerberos's use of cryptography makes it extremely resilient to attacks. Encrypted tickets are incredibly difficult to forge or steal, providing a robust layer of protection against unauthorized access. This is crucial in today's world, where data breaches and cyber attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Finally, Kerberos is an open standard, meaning it's not tied to any particular vendor or platform. This allows for interoperability, enabling different systems and applications to communicate securely with each other. This openness fosters innovation and ensures that Kerberos remains a relevant and adaptable security solution for years to come.